Hello! It is humid, isn't it?
It is
Wow, very hot. Welcome to Bali. You look so happy.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Okay, guys. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep in touch. Check it out. Hello, guys. Hi today. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay, guys. Today I will make video in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Okay, our business start from the north part area until to the south part area on Raya Legian Street. So let me show you around here. Yeah, this is Raya Legian Street today. Looks so busy. Heavy traffic jam everywhere in this area. Not so many tourists yet, but we hope we will see a lot of tourists soon. Near Central on Raya Legian Street. You see the traffic? It is quite heavy, isn't it? A lot of cars. Now we can see futurists in this area. That's good. Yeah, as usually when I make video in Legian Bali in this area, it's not really busy. This Legian Street in between Fatma Street and also Malasi Street. Not really busy, but the south area on Raya Legian Street is more busy over there. Yeah, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists at the nearby central of Raya Legian Street today. Yeah, not so busy yet in this area, isn't it? I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment because Legian Street is very famous. You should know this area. I start walking from Patna Street, yeah, the junction over there, to the south area on Raya Legian Street. And I will make video until the central of Raya Legian Street, nearby the central of Ground Zero. It's gonna it's gonna be long walking for today. Not so busy in this area, really sad. Okay, let's back to the street. It's quiet, isn't it? Okay, guys. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. So far, still so quiet in this area. See? For rent. But, wow. All is empty. Maybe too expensive to rent because Bali is not really busy yet. Okay, now we are at the junction on Legian Street. Yeah, this is Legian Street. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Raya Legian Street. Wow, the weather just so humid today. Hello, it is humid, isn't it?
It is
Wow,
very.
very hard. You need water. Hello, you need water and vitamin because the weather is not so bad, not so good.
Sorry, I can't ask your mom.
Well, according to the left side, future is over there. Good. Yeah, this is Legian Market. So quiet, but really sad. And usually I start my video from this area, but today it's quite a bit north because I just want to show you how the different north part on Royal Legian Street and also south part on Royal Legian Street. It's big difference, isn't it? Now we can see more tourists in this area. But again, not really busy. Why? Why? Oh, sorry, brother. Oh, shopping, shopping. Hello,
Hi.
welcome to Bali. Wow, what are you waiting for? Transport? You need transport? Oh, bloody hot, mate. Bloody hot. Oh, sorry, sorry. Where is the land? Where is the land? Ah. Wow, future in this area is good. Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday. It's too hot. Bagus, yeah, bagus. Welcome to Bali. Wow, future is in this area, in this restaurant. That's good. Quite busy, eh? Wow, not really bad. Okay, let's keep continue walking along Legian Street. Hello, sorry. Welcome to Bali. You look so happy. Beautiful smile. That's good. Let's across the street. There's the Legian restaurant over there. Asoko. Enjoy your holiday. Should come. So quiet. Wow. Yeah, just come to Bali. Bali is still nice to visit. Wow. I see him here. Okay, let's cross the street again. Wow. Usually in this area, it's always busy. Just really sad, isn't it? Usually in this area, a lot of tourists, but today, wow, I don't know why it's so quiet today. But the traffic is so heavy, unbelievable. You can see that? Yeah, the cars move very slow, but no tourists. Why? Is traffic jam or what? so, so sad. Really sad, isn't it? Wow, traffic jam, but no tourists. That's not really good. Uh, this is Momos Legian. Wow, quite busy inside actually. That's good. Ah, what is this still happening? The rubbish. Really sad. Rubbish. Really bad. Yeah, Legian Street also not really busy, isn't it? What's happening here? Why it's so quiet? Wow, enjoy your ride. Enjoy your ride. Mama's still over there. I will make video until Mama's restaurant. So quiet, isn't it? Yeah, even this quiet, I hope this video will give you an information about the update situation at the moment in Bali. Wow. Yeah, Mama's restaurant just here. My grandma. Been there early in the morning. Ah, not so busy. Really sad. What about in the restaurant? Because now it's lunchtime. German restaurant in Legian Bali. No bad. Future is over there. Ah,
Yes, it's up from Tata.
okay guys, so this is our team today in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. So what do you think? Not really busy, isn't it? Really sad actually. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update section at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ooh, hot. Humid. So hot, so humid, so quiet, so empty, so sad. Yeah, we all together. Bali is getting busier and busier as soon as possible.